begin.
Hello guys, welcome to Xilir Technologies. Today I am going to demonstrate project name Raspberry Pi based pothole detection system. So this is our project. So first I will explain how the things are connected here, what component we have used here, and after that I will show you the output. So guys, now let's see how things are connected here. So we have these 4 wheels, 1, 2, 3, 4, and at the back we have 2 motors also connected below, you can see, which is again connected with L290D motor driver because microcontroller cannot handle that much current, so we need motor driver module there. Then other components are ultrasonics, and if bump is there below 5 cm, it will detect it as an obstacle or hump, and below it pothole is detected below, like if it is more than 13 cm like this space, so it will show pothole is there. Then speaker will make sound that yes, pothole is there, stop the car. You can pre-record the voice using this voice module 1820 ISD. So you have to just press it, record it like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and if values triggers, so it will play that sound. Okay. Then we have these wires, green wires are for ground, red are for 5 volt, blue are for input or output. This is Raspberry Pi. Raspberry Pi is connected with camera, which is using the image processing for detecting the potholes. You can use any pothole images in database, it is there, so it will detect it. Then we have these batteries, which is of 3.7 volt. So every module we have 8 volt here because full battery will show 8 volt, not only 7.4. So we can step down those voltage of 8 volt to 5 volt. We can regulate it using 7805 module. Then we have this amplifier for the audio, then we have GPS module, then we have GSM module. We have to insert SIM here, and when the sensors triggers, so it will get the location coordinate from the satellites and will send through this GSM module. Others are again 7805 for this particular GSM for the better power. Okay, rest are connectors. Then again one more regulator is there for Raspberry Pi, and this is the circuit made on 0 PCB. So these are the basic components used here. Arduino Uno microcontroller is this one, then Arduino Nano again we have used. Why I have used this one also? Because I want that dedicated supply and processing for the ultrasonic sensors, and dedicated power supply and processing for the GPS and GSM. That's why I have used 2. And third one is your main Raspberry Pi, which will detect the and process the camera part. Okay, that's it. Now we will see the output of this one. So guys, now let's see how we have to connect this device. So we have to create hotspot first, mobile hotspot, and the hotspot name will be pothole, and password will be 12345678. You can change it. And in Raspberry Pi we have connected this device, so it will again find this hotspot and will connect using this, and 2.4 gigahertz you can use, and turn on the hotspot here. It is already on. Okay, and turn off the power saving mode, and then you can start your Raspberry Pi. Just press this, you can see Raspberry Pi LEDs, it is on. Okay, now we have to wait for a few seconds. After that this device will connect and it will show here Pi. Let's see. Okay, it is connected now. Done. Now I will turn on the project here. After that, after a few seconds, first let's complete this one. So we have to go to this add device, then direct connection, then write the IP address, then we have to connect. From this you can copy it. Okay, then username and password, Pi, and then password Pi, then turn on it, and you can see the road is is the black one, and these are the potholes in the road. Okay, so this is the output from the camera. Okay, now I will turn on the project and we will see how this will display the pothole. So I am turning on this button, this one and this one, and this project will start moving. Okay, you can see on LCD it is showing normal road, camera is down, checking the values there, and you can see the output there. Slowly paper is coming, and you can see
emergency alert, pothole or bump alert.
you heard the sound, it is from the speaker, and here it is showing pothole. So this car stops here and it is showing our pi damage ahead, and you can see here we have got the message. Okay, like this, and if you click this you can see where the problem is through Google Map. Okay, this is my place. Okay, now we will see other outputs. Now I will put all these things on road and we will see. Okay, so now let's see pothole detection using ultrasonic sensor. If camera fails, so how it will work, we are watching now. You can see slowly it is going forward. Pothole detected. Okay, the car will stop, and on the LCD you can see the message. Okay, and on phone you will receive message like this: pothole detected. Again you can open it and see the location. That's it. And now we will see the if obstacle or bumps are there on the road, how this car will react. We will see that now. So now let's see bump part or obstacle. If it is in the front, this will again stop and send the SMS. Turn on the robot again, so this will move. And if the obstacle is there, how it will react, let's see. Bump detected. Okay, and on phone we will receive message like this: bump or obstacle ahead. Okay, this way it will work. So it will protect your car. So these are the outputs from the project. Hello everyone, we are from Xilir Technologies, New Delhi, India. We develop research-based component hardware, projects and products globally. Xilir Technologies has the largest collection of projects. On our website, you can get services like unique engineering projects, science projects, MTech PhD thesis guidance, self-learning kits, ready-made projects, hardware component, drone-related services, software and simulations, research paper writing and publications in top journals and conferences. We also provide patent-related services. So to upgrade your knowledge, you can join our channel. For more details, please check description. Thank you guys. Have a nice day.